So I'm controlling it through the keyboard. I, J, K, L, M, comma. Can make it move around. Can make it turn in place. Can make it go straight. Can make it curve slightly. Can make it curve in reverse. There, and it's pretty strong, so it can push things pretty easily. If I put this chair in the way, I mean the chair is pretty easy to push anyways, but I can push it out of the way. I can probably carry around, I think, 500 pounds. Running off 24 volts. Pulls around an amp, idle with the computer. Using a Jetson Xavier AGX development board. And these are the antennas for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Emergency stop kills the power to the motors. And we have these two 12-volt SLA batteries, I think like 40 amp hour capacity, so it should last a while. And just some electronics, the wiring, the power, and the on-off switch. Yeah, eventually we're going to have it move autonomously, but right now it has no way of sensing its environment, right? So we have to wait on that. We're going to use this guy. It's called a LiDAR. Take this out of the box. It's a LiDAR. So here's the sensor. So it shoots out a laser beam there and rotates. It reads the bounce, and since it knows how fast it's rotating, it can calculate how long it took for the laser beam to come back, and then it uses that. Using the speed of light, you can compute how far away something is. So it's a LiDAR, so it spins around, so you can get 360 degrees imaging. So I'm probably going to mount this. Don't want to mount it up here because then I can't read low obstacles. So I'm going to mount this in the bottom here. 3D printed a little mount for it here. So this thing is going to fit right here. It's going to bolt on there, and then the LiDAR is going to fit on the bottom of this upside down, and it should be able to read a good amount of data. May add additional sensors, and on top of that robot we're going to add a robot arm. This is another robot arm we got, but it's pretty short, so I designed a longer one using more powerful motors. It's actually what these motors are. These motors I'm testing right now are pretty powerful and strong, so I'm going to build a robot arm using 5 of those. Should be able to hold a good payload at a good distance. So I'm going to mount that around here. It's going to be a big robot arm, so it can pick things up off the floor, place it on tables and stuff. That's pretty much it. Nothing too fancy yet, but I'm getting there.